Hari Om. Our next speaker is one who is a resident Acharya at every center. Madame et Major, Hari Om. Maintenant sommes ici invités pour Guruji parler au sujet des Chinmay Mission, Rayon et Mauritius. Bienvenue, s'il vous plaît, pour Guruji.
Hari Om. Om Sri Chinmay Sadgurave Namaha. We have mini India near India, and that is Mauritius. And very close to Mauritius, there is one island, and we cannot pronounce what is the French way of pronouncing, so we will pronounce it in our Indian style, Reunion Island. But I don't know in French or Rion or something they say. And it is governed by the government of France. But Mauritius is an independent country. Since no member could come from these two places, so I thought I will only represent. That's why they told that I am resident Acharya everywhere. In Mauritius, we have very senior Swami, Swami Pranavananda, and he was in the same batch in Sandipani Sadhanalaya when I was also studying there. He is much older than me in age. He actually came from Mauritius and went back there, and he did really wonderful work in every respect. Whatever that mission center, we have a beautiful center and a beautiful Lord Shiva's temple. All the activities which are there, like our Bal Vihar, Yoga Kendra and other things, that all that are there only because of him. And even that Reunion Island, whatever work is there, he is the one who is really responsible for that. Even in that place also we have got our own property and a mission there, in both these places. And that is supported by local people, and that work is going on very nicely. But what is more creditable is there with respect to Pranavanandaji. You know, when he went from here, these ritualistic things and all that, that was so much in the temples and all that, and even in Yajna Yagadis, the Pashu Balis, the sacrifice for all such kind of things were then peculiar traditions that were more and more. But by his staying there, teaching there, that has come down to so much now, and they are becoming more and more sattvic in the performance of pujas and all that. That is something very noble and important thing, you know. So Swami Pranavanandaji, I have got a great regard for him, and at the present batch, that Vedanta course that is going on in Mumbai, there is a student from Reunion Island, and so I hope that the young man completes the study and goes back there, and that will be a great, great help to Swamiji there. I wish all the best to all our members there. I do go there now and then, not very, very, very regularly, but only last year I had gone there. And it is always a great joy to visit that place. And those people, they have got so much love for India, and they keep on longing for coming here. And do you know, we have got 12 Jyotirlingas, 12 Jyotirlingas. And in Mauritius, they have built a temple of Lord Shiva, and they say that is the 13th Jyotirlinga. And what is that Jyotirlinga? They call Maurisheshwara. Like a Trambakeshwara, Omkareshwara, they say Maurisheshwara. And they have got a huge lake there, and they specially took Gangaji from here, from India, and they poured there because they want Gangaji to be there. So they have taken that. So that shows their great, great devotion for this country. And I invoke God's grace and Puja Guru's blessings on all of them. Hari Om.